Welcome back to Building Blocks, your one-stop shop for making sense of the complex. We're embarking on a new season today, and our star is none other than the elusive, the captivating, the ever-evolving artificial intelligence, or as we tech lovers like to call it, AI. It's been the muse of writers, the sandbox of scientists, and, not to mention, the inspiration behind some of Hollywood's biggest blockbusters. So sit tight and let's get ready for an incredible journey from imagination to reality. Now let's dive into the pages of some iconic science fiction works, like Isaac Asimov's I, Robot. Picture groundbreaking films such as The Terminator or Ex Machina. These pieces of fiction spin enthralling tales of AI, everything from benevolent robotic helpers to, let's face it, somewhat intimidating robotic overlords. Yet, these dramatic renditions, while stirring our creative juices, don't quite match up to the reality of AI. They paint compelling images but raise the question: how much of this is real, and how much is pure Hollywood? To answer this, let's hop into our time machine and whiz back to the 1940s and 50s, a time when AI was just a glint in the eye of revolutionary computer scientists like Alan Turing. Turing, the man whose genius laid the foundation of modern computers, pondered a simple yet profound question: can machines think? This led to the development of what we now call the Turing test, a yardstick to measure a machine's ability to mimic human-like intelligent behavior. So, if you've ever found yourself wondering whether you're chatting with a bot or a human online, you know who's responsible. From those humble beginnings, we step into the 21st century, where AI isn't just a concept but a living, evolving reality. But before we get carried away, let's clear one thing up. We aren't talking about sentient machines gearing up for world domination. At least, not for now. Rather, AI is about creating machines that can learn and make decisions like us humans, with the aim of solving complex problems. It revolves around crafting algorithms. Think of them as high-tech recipes to guide these machines. Plus, it's about the enormous amounts of data these algorithms feast on to learn. So yes, AI is all about complex math, data, and problem-solving, with a sprinkle of creativity. That's not to say AI isn't impressive. We see AI applications in various aspects of our lives: predicting the weather, recommending that next TV series that will have you glued to your screen, recognizing your face in a sea of online photos, navigating driverless cars, and even challenging human supremacy at intellectual games like chess and Go. And believe it or not, we're just scratching the surface. But hold on, don't just take my word for it. Join us for the rest of this season as we go deeper into the fascinating world of AI. We'll explore how these machines learn, how they're already being used today, and what mind-boggling things they might be capable of in the future. So, keep building blocks on your radar and get ready to uncover the enigma that is artificial intelligence, where human imagination meets technological reality. And with that, we set the stage for your AI journey. Before you go, make sure to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to Building Blocks. We wouldn't want you to miss out on our upcoming episodes that will guide you through the exhilarating universe of artificial intelligence. Until our next episode, stay curious, keep exploring, and remember, the future is not something we enter, but something we create. And with AI in our toolkit, who knows what we'll create next? That's a wrap on our first AI episode. Stay tuned, stay excited, and stay ready for more building blocks. Here's to building understanding, block by block.